This is Jay's from Jay's Multi-Channel, and today I'm messing with a 99 Eldorado. This joker then ran up on something and broke his tie rod. So I'm gonna replace the inner tie rod today. As you can see, the boot is way up in here. Once I get that boot off, I'll be able to see what I'm up against. Stay tuned. Okay, so got the boot off. It was a regular old metal clamp. I'll go ahead and cut that off and pulling that boot off. Now this thing here got a green rubber dampener on this tie rod end that has to be pushed back, and it might be a little stiff. You just stick a screwdriver in there, stretch it out a little bit. But if you get your hand on it and just kind of wiggle it back, it'll come off. It'll slide backwards on the rack. And like I said, you might need a screwdriver to help slide it back. You see? So you push it all the way back. Then you can get in here and loosen up your tie rod end with your tool of choice. Alright? I didn't see any videos for this Eldorado 99 4.6, so I made one. Peace.